Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
I, you all know what is the subject that I had all the classes from morning. Any hassles? What happened? I start. Let me hear from you all.
Ma'am, we have heard all the classes.
Had net starting and then I system to add. I'll be handling.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be having any particular course. Course means it is the subject. We don't call it as subject because we are accredited. So we basically use the terminology. Using course, the teacher who is handling that particular course coordinator or the faculty coordinator. Course means the program means it is under because I'll be using these terms very. So we have 20 MCA 14 is the course. Any subject for that matter will have 5 modules. Also, we have 5 modules. One, theory and matrices, learning all the operations on sets, cardinality of sets, pigeonhole principle. Also touch upon matrices, wherein we deal with eigenvalues. Your first module to mathematical logic. Here you will be learning proportional logic. What are the applications of that? Equivalences, what are predicates, quantifiers, the difference. Module 3, you have relations. Relations, n-ray relations, ordering, and the equivalence relation. We touch upon random variable and probability, where we go on for calculation of mean variance, covariance of random variables, binomial. Then finally, we'll touch theory. You have shortest path in and Hamilton. Kindly download the syllabus copy. Have a examination. What will happen is your question paper pattern will be like have in your external exam. We have 10 questions, and then you will have internal choice or 2, 4, 5, or 6, 7, 8. Or how your paper pattern will look. 1 or 2 means write either 1 or 2. 1 and 2, both the questions. 3 or 4 will be 5 or 6 will be 3. 7 or 8 will be 4. 9 or 10 will be. You have to answer 5 questions. I am telling you, you will not be allowed to skip any particular module. You cannot say, okay, let me leave off first module. I will study only the 4. Let me study only the first modules. Are not possible. You are supposed to answering. I mean, answering or 2 means marks. Writing for 100 marks. 5 questions you have to write. 20 marks will be completely one question in 20 marks. Have some divisions also. 1A, 1B, 1 2A, 2B. Like not right. If you plan to choose, write write 1A, 1B. If you choose to write 1, writing 2A, all the subdivision. Say, okay, I will write 1A and then 2B. Like that, you will have to answer the question from. We are writing for 100 marks, but that is scaled down to 60 marks only. Will be scaling down to. Your internal marks will be for 40. Each of the internals that we will be 3 internals. First internal will be exactly around 1 month after your that time. In March, similarly, all the 3 internals. There will be a slight change in the pattern when we come to internals. What we will do now totally. And there will be part A and part B. Part A will have 6 questions. Part B will have part A. Part A is like, 1 or 2, 4, or 6. You will have to write 3. Part B will be 8. That means 7 and 8th question. 7th and 8th study and be a case study question in the part of the syllabus. It will not be a kind of a direct question. You will be given a case study. Suddenly, you will be given a two question. Means what? You may have different answers. How do you come out with all the answers may be right? You cannot have one single answer for all to and so those 2 are compulsory. 3 questions from part A and 2 question will carry 8 marks. You will be writing for externals. It will be 100 marks. That's generally the pattern. Going ahead, you will these are all general for all the subjects. Thing I is not. Some of you may have some kind of that's how you write. That this people have learned this. Have some answers.
Ma'am, we had it in first MBCA.
MBCA we have matrix determinants and probabilities.
Functions and functions, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anusha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you from actually? You are Malleshwaram something you told me, right?
Ma'am, I'll be living in Malleshwaram, ma'am.
Yeah, but why you didn't join? I thought you will be joining offline, is it not? Because you're in Malleshwaram.
No, ma'am, I have not yet come to Malleshwaram.
Where are you now?
I had to make, ma'am, in my native.
All of you, but make sure that you are all here within this week only. Only this week I am going to do this online, offline, both we are doing, but only it will be for this week alone. I want all the close to 30, close to 40 students are already there in classes today. So I want this small group also to get back to offline by the end of this week. Please work on making your arrangements, accommodations ready, that there is no further delay, because your internals, which will be definitely offline only, will start off, as I told you, month's time. Your internals will start, and if you are not attending offline here, it will become difficult for you to. This 1 week I have given consideration because I understand that some of you had some issues with the. Now, I told I'll be starting off with mathematical logic. This mathematical logic, I think some of you all yeah. Some of you all would have studied mathematical logic. I don't know. Let me share my screen. Able to see the white screen? Any of you? Please, can you respond?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. We'll be starting with what happened on the first line, mathematics. We'll be starting with the second. This is the starting with the second. And since it is a mathematics based subject, I'll be writing it here. You will be able to see there, do it. Well, if you have any issues, please let me know, because once I'm presenting the screen, I'll not be able to see Google Meet screen. Be able to see what I'm writing. If you have any issues, you're not able to see anything or hear me. Okay. What is that we are going to cover under this particular module? We will be starting off. Let us see what all we can cover. First thing. The first thing that we'll be seeing is propositional logic. Then we see what are the applications of propositional logic. Wait, one time. Applications of propositional logic. We'll also be seeing propositional equivalences. Then we'll be going and touching upon states and quantifiers, learning what is predicate, what is a quantifier. Then we'll move on to I don't know what. Rules of then we'll move on to proof of. So this much we will be covering in the, I don't know, there's some problem in this device. Right. Rules of inference, and then we'll move on to what is proof of inference. Now, can anybody tell me what is logic? What do you mean by logic? Tell me. Need an answer from you all. Don't sit like this.
Reason a reasonable way of about something.
Reasonable way of what?
About something.
Any others? Answer? I need answers. I will not spare you if you are going to sit like this and or switch it on and go off somewhere else. So I will not accept from all of you. What is logic?
Ma'am, a valid way to prove something.
Valid way to prove something. Yes.
I'm a method to do something.
Okay.
Ma'am, which deals with something like rules and processes.
It is a valid terms and condition to be
An
applied
approach
to
to
accuse
solve a
something.
problem.
The solution to solve a given problem.
All right. When I talk about logic, logic is nothing but, we say, some kind of a process of reasoning to arrive at some kind of a, to apply some kind of a reasoning or to arrive at something. Example, suppose you want to decide something. What do? You apply some logic, is it not? So we mean that when we say we apply logic, reasoning. Okay, if I do this, all this will happen. If I do this, all this will happen. Finally, what will happen? Conclusion. If I do this, what will happen finally? If I do this, what will happen finally? So that means you are trying to arrive at a conclusion. That is what you call it as process of reasoning or to arrive at some conclusion or statement or that as proposition. Call it as proposition. How do you define exactly proposition? When I say proposition is not, I would say it as declarative statement will be either true or, what is proposition? Any declarative statement is going to be either true or false, but not both. To call it as a. Give me some examples given this definition. Any declarative statement which can declarative statement either true or false, not going to be. It is not either true or false, but not both. Give me some examples.
Logical operations.
I want examples for propositions. I said proposition is nothing but what? Declaration or declarative statement. It can be either true or false, but not both. Some example.
Ma'am, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, ma'am. It is true. Can be true or false, but cannot be both, ma'am.
When I say, for example, take examples of proposition. I say, today is Tuesday. This is a declarative statement. It can be true, it can be false. Let us say it is true. It is true. Today is Tuesday is a declarative statement. All this as a let's say take some other example. Bengaluru is capital of Karnataka. This is again a proposition. Bangalore is of Karnataka is a declarative statement. Again a proposition. Lead you to either true or false, but not both. Suppose I say Delhi is capital of Karnataka. Proposition or not?
False. Is it proposition which false?
It is a proposition. But suppose I say, I'll tell something, sit down. Proposition, or is it what? False, what is this? Sit down.
You are giving an order to sit down.
When I say sit down, right? Command. It's also a statement, not a declarative. You cannot say sit down is true, sit down is false, and arrive at any true or false over. say? Coffee hot. Is it a proposition?
It's not a proposition. Not a proposition.
It is not a proposition. Actually, it is a
Interrogative.
question. It is a sentence. It is a statement. No doubt about that. It is an interrogative sentence or an interrogative. You can't call this as a. What I say? What do I tell? What a beautiful climate it is.
Exclamatory.
It is an exclamatory statement. It's not a
Proper proposition.
Position.
proposition. Is a declarative statement which is either true or false, but there are all some examples of them are examples of proposition. They are propositions which can be either true or it can be false. These three are not under. You all?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose I give a statement like this. Only sentence always. Suppose I'll give something.
It's proposition, ma'am.
Proposition ones.
And it's
Proposition.
true, ma'am.
It's true. Fine. Is it a proposition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But it is not a declarative statement.
Not a.
It is declarative, ma'am. It is proposition, ma'am.
It's declarative, ma'am. 2 plus 2 is false. True, ma'am.
It is true. 2 is 4 is true. It is a proposition. Suppose I write something like this. Now what do you say? Plus y is equal to 4.
It is also proposition, ma'am. It is declared, ma'am. It may be true or false.
You have some other answers? May I have some other answers, please? Others. I have some answers.
We can initialize the any value to x and y, but the answer should be the 4. Maybe true or false.
Position.
Ma'am, it depends upon what value we give it to x and y.
Values.
Ma'am, according to the values which we give.
Hmm. Say x plus y is equal to 4. Not a it can be converted or it can be turned into a to know or assign the values of here. I say when I give some values for x and y, it becomes it can be true, it can be false. You can always make it into a assigning some values of to your
Yes, ma'am.
learned what have to tell are not proposed. Down, shall I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
I will be giving you around 10 statements. Write down all the 10. Then you will have to work on it. And then finally we will be discussing which are the propositions and which are not So I don't want the answers in between. All right. Right on. First one is 5 is less than 10.
Yes, ma'am.
One, 7 is greater than 50. Paris is in France.
What's the third question? What's the third question? It's not visible.
Yeah, third one is Paris.
Okay, ma'am.
Fourth one, Bengaluru is in Maharashtra. Fourth one, one plus one is equal to four is a prime number. Four is a prime number. The next one is x plus y greater than and next one is equal to 3. Next one, write 4 books. One, are you reading? Are you? Next one, mathematics is fun. Mathematics is I want each of you to work on this. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Then I will come back to the answers of this. Well, let me check what's wrong with this. I'll give you 2 minutes time.
Guys, last one, can you repeat it? Mathematics is?
1.
1.
Can I know what is the eighth question?
E is equal to 3.
E equal to
By
By
4 book.
4 book.
By 4.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think 5 is, let me take up one by one. 5 is less than 10. I think that was the first one.
True. Proportional.
True, ma'am.
Is a declarative statement.
declarative.
It's a proposition. Yes, ma'am. It's
Proposition.
proposition, ma'am.
7 is greater than 15.
False one.
It's a
Proposition.
It's also a proposition. Then I think I gave Paris is in France.
It is also
True, ma'am.
a proposition.
Proposition.
Also proposition.
Bangalore is in
So
Proposition but false.
ma'am.
But it is a false. It is a false, but it is a proposition.
Proposition.
it is a proposition, but it is false. That's fine.
False.
Next, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2.
Proposition.
Yes, true, ma'am.
Proposition
and true.
Proposition and true. We have 4 is a prime number.
It is a proposition, but it is a false.
Proposition and false.
False.
Okay, proposition and false. X plus y is greater than 4.
Proposition, ma'am.
It's not a proposition.
Proposition.
Can be converted.
Yes, ma'am. It can be converted into proposition.
Yeah, you cannot decide on x and y values. True or false, because without the x and y values, and it is not a proposition. You can be converted. It can convert into a proposition.
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 Not a proposition.
By 4.
Can be no. It cannot.
It can be given value.
Can be.
We assign a value.
Yes, ma'am.
Miss P is already has given.
Or book.
Command.
Not a. I think
Command,
it's
ma'am.
not a.
Not a proposition.
Proposition.
It is in order. Okay, order. It is not.
It's a question.
But it's not a
proposition.
Interrogation.
Interrogative.
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 Proposition.
Fine. Okay, are you all clear with what?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
value of a
One.
truth value of P?
T.
When you say value of P is true, this value of P, right? I say no class today. If the truth value that is false, we are having class. The truth value of Q is
F.
this area of logic, that deals with proposition, or call it as propositional. First thing in this area of logic which deals with these kind of propositions is what we call it as propositional. To you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We represent propositions using variables. Suppose I want to combine, then it becomes easy for me to combine the propositions using P and Q rather than all the time telling today is Tuesday and no class today. Is it? Always I cannot go on using these long sentences. Propositions may be long statements or long sentence. I will not be able to use it always. So instead of that, I make use of variables. When I use these kind of variables, P, Q, they are all called as propositional variables. Similar to your numerical variables. For example, we have x plus y is equal to 4. What is x and y? X and y are nothing but the numerical variables. Similar to that, we also have propositional variables. Wherever we are using logic, this area of logic which is applied to the propositions, call it as proposition.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So far,
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
for my subject, lot of a lot of assignments, all your assignments, notebook, whatever we do, us. I've also given here in online. If I start all joining back by within see. Basic connectives. What are connectives? Connectives combine they will combine the mean by that the just under. What are primitive statements? That cannot be. Statements are those we will call this as a. Do I call this as not it further down? Statements, can we break this? Tuesday I will take one. One more statement. It's Sunday. It's no class.
No. Primitive, but it is false.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Not a primitive. Because you can always break it into two statements. What are the two statements? Today is Sunday is one statement. There is no class. Class is another. Combined these two statements and hence not call them as this particular. Whatever statement be broken down into statement. All called as can be broken down into statement. We talk about basic connect. Basic connect. Combine two or more. These Tuesdays class is another. Try to combine these two.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I say connectives are used to create existing ones. Are used to. There are two types of connectivity. What are the two types? One is
Yes, ma'am.
the two different types. What these connectivity? Class, what did we learn? Of course, we did spend some time on some general instructions. I had to this device also gave me some problem today. Onwards, we will class. We started with summarize what we did in the started with second. I mean, logic is about what is a logic we define, and that started off with proposition. Examples of proposition cannot be called as a. We took up examples. If you were able to identify the proposition, then went to called as propositional variables. We talked about how we can bits. We came to started about connectives first. Examples of upon connectives and all we have done for today. We'll this class. I hope any doubts, any of you.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I have one doubt. Can you give me another example for a primitive statement? Primitive statement example. Will be
all 4 as one.
Ma'am, it cannot be broken because of angle is not
Not a primitive. Train, ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
So we'll wind up the class with this. Maybe I'll see you all again tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am? Ma'am. So we are having basics of programming as the next class. You attend that or not?
Have it today.
Yes, ma'am. Next hour.
It is only for those who are coming from non-IT background, those who have not done BCA and not done BSc computer. As early as possible, make arrangements for your accommodation. I'll be telling this every day because only this week I'll be doing this dual thing. Once offline, once online. Not arrangements and get back to classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is Ganesh Yani. I don't know name here. Anyway, thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.